Guys, what's good? We are back again for another video. This is trading Monday, new week. Last week was our first recent unprofitable week. This week, hopefully it's going to be different. We're going to apply what we learned last week to this week and we're just going to do better. Right now, I'm already going to trade a buy on GU and it's looking pretty good. So let's just see what happens. Hope you guys enjoy. Hit that like and subscribe. If you guys want to join me to the top, down below is Traders Headquarters. I'll say it one more time. Down below is Traders Headquarters. Hope you all enjoy. Let's get to the video. Alright guys, so let's check out how our trade's going. So I took a buy here. I'll let you guys know why. It's Monday currently, and the reason why I took a buy here is because if we go to the 30-minute time frame, you can clearly see this bitch is now in a downtrend. But I can also see this reversing because price has taken so much liquidity that I think it got to push back up. It's either has to push back up or it's going to come back up first, grab the rest of the liquidity before it starts pushing down again. So what we are wanting from this trade is probably just to see if price can make it back to daily open, which is also the average price area, and maybe take a sell from there depending on how much liquidity price grabbed. It is a bit not what I would usually take, but how everything is looking, price could probably go for a bit more liquidity as well. So you can clearly see price had its all-time high. It's not really all-time highs, but price went higher and higher. And now we can see this breaking structure, and we can see this either rejecting and pushing back to the upside, or we can see price continuing going down. So we'll just see what happens, guys. And right now it's looking not too bad. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame to why I took an entry where I took my entry. Right. So right here, the reason why I took my entry right here was because the timing. It was really the timing, and literally price came down, came back up, and usually when I start trading at 6 o'clock, right now it was 5:50 where price was, and price just grabbed liquidity. So I was like, okay, this is pretty good timing, so I should take a buy here. So that's what I did, took a buy, and you can clearly see how price is moving. I made sure to also put my stop loss below this liquidity, 30-minute liquidity, which I expected price to grab, but I knew that what could happen is price pushes up first, either grabs all this liquidity and then comes back down to grab this last liquidity, because we all know that price does not like leaving liquidity. So that's what I was thinking, that's what I had in mind, and that's why I took a buy right here. So I took a buy literally at 6 o'clock because I knew that, I didn't know, but I was thinking that price could come down first before it pushes up, and you can clearly see here price came down, then it pushed up, and during this time where price came down, I went into the 1-minute time frame just to see how price was looking, and then price made this huge move to the upside, which is from this one right here. And I was like, yep, that's perfect for me to buy, because I was expecting price in the 5-minute to come back down, to form a rejection, to push up, just because of it was just all timing. To keep it short, it was all timing, and price grabbed liquidity at the timing, at the right time. So I expected price to do this, and I can definitely expect price probably when price comes to around here, right, this area, to actually reject this area and continue pushing down. But I'd like price to first grab all of the liquidity before price decides to push down. And yeah, that's really it, guys. You know, we can definitely see price doing a few things right now. First, either price pushes up, respects this area, and we take a sell here to the downside, while it leaves a little bit of liquidity, which I hope it doesn't. I hope it just grabs it all and leaves a huge rejection back to the downside, which would be nice. We hop out and we hop back in, just because price misses liquidity. Or price can either reject here, push to the downside, grab this liquidity, push up, or just continue drilling down just because it's in a downtrend. We're going against the bias, but the bias can also be that it's reversing right now. And that's really what we want. That's really what we want, a reversal. But if price doesn't do that, then we just have to go with the trend, and let's just see what happens. So right now, you know, in a pretty good area, and I'm probably gonna wait 30 minutes to an hour. And yeah, that's really it, guys. So let's see. You guys, a little update on what happened. So I got actually stopped out right here, and it looks like price could be rejecting because it just made a range, something like this. Price grabbed double of the bottom, and we could see this either heading right here or just to the top right here. So either way, but besides this, guys, yeah, I got stopped out. I probably could have put my stop loss right here, but I don't know. I was just like, you know what, let me just get stopped out. It is what it is. So it's just a break-even trade. Now I'm just going to be patient and wait for price to either get to the daily slash weekly open price just to see what happens. And we can see that this is probably what's happening. Price is grabbing more of the liquidity before it pushes up. But who knows? Who knows? You know, we're just gonna wait, be patient. We're gonna see what happens. And if price decides to make it all the way to the daily open, then that was something that we should have done. And yeah, you know, this is just a break-even trade. We could be looking for sells either up here, maybe during New York, which maybe it won't be in this video. But yeah, during New York, price comes up here, grabs this liquidity, pushes back down to the downside, or it could just be a complete reversal. I just got stopped out. Either way, I'm out of this trade, and I'm just going to be patient and see what happens. Yo guys, so it's been like 30 minutes later, and price is just taking its time working its way down to liquidity. So I want you guys in the comments down below, tell me what you guys think is going to happen, if price is going to reject the liquidity area or it's just going to shoot straight through and we're done. So you'll let me know in the comments, and you guys will know tomorrow. This is a cliffhanger, bitch. Hope you all enjoyed. Peace. Peace.